In this video, we're going to have a look at how you can use filters to filter out unwanted statistics from your reports in Google Analytics. So by default, when you set up Google Analytics on your web page, it's going to gather analytics on all of the traffic that comes to your web page, regardless of where the traffic comes from. You may want to filter out traffic for specific reasons. For example, if your staff use your company website a lot to navigate and find information, you may want to filter that traffic out because that's going to skew the reports. It's going to show more activity than there actually is. You may also want to filter out traffic from areas that you're not interested in doing business in. You know, if you only work in North America and you're getting hits from Asia, you may want to filter that traffic out so that it doesn't skew your reports, especially if you're making important business decisions based on your analytics. So to get started with filters, the first thing you need to do is have admin privileges. So as you can see up along the top, we have our admin tab. It's highlighted in blue. We are the admin. And when you click on that, you have administration for your site. My site's called Training Site. And then we want to scroll down and we want to choose all filters. So let's left click on all filters. And right now there is no filters. So we're going to click on new filter. Now we need to give our filter a name. So for the sake of this demonstration, we're going to create a filter to filter out all web traffic that comes from our own staff. So let's call this filter company traffic. Alright, so now we have our filter type, so we can choose predefined or custom. And you could get quite creative with the custom filters and do a lot with this, but there are some very handy predefined ones that you'll want to use as well. So let's choose predefined, and now we can choose to exclude or include only. Well, we want to exclude all traffic from a specific source. So we're going to choose exclude, and now it says select source or destination, so we're going to click on the drop-down tab for that. We could choose all traffic from a specific internet service provider's domain, traffic from a specific IP address, traffic to subdirectories, or traffic to a specific host name. So let's choose traffic from IP addresses. Now the next thing we need to do is click down our drop-down tab for select expression. And from here we can choose equal to, or if you had a range of IP addresses that you wanted to filter out, you can use begins with and ends with. And you can also use that contains part of the IP address. So we're going to choose equal to, and then we're going to put in our IP address, and I'm just going to put in a random IP address here. And then we're going to scroll down, and we can see apply filters to views and available views, all website data. We haven't created any new views yet. So now if we click on save, it said loading up there at the top. If we scroll up, we can see our new filter is now created, and we can click on that filter to edit it and modify it. So if our external IP address changed and we want to change the IP that's filtered, we can do that. We don't need to recreate the whole filter again. If you decide you want to delete the filter for some reason, you can do that. So if you made a lot of mistakes with it and it's not doing what you want, then you can click on the delete button and just start fresh if you like. So that's how you can use the filters in Google Analytics to filter out unwanted statistics from your reports.